So very warm welcome to this nice shivering morning. It's beautiful cold over there everywhere and we are enjoying this winter and we are going to start with the last chapter. Actually, you all not might be remembering. You can check your portal. This is tense and children, when you are already in the middle school now which type of questions do come from the chapters? Now let me explain you all one thing first of all. Okay, so first and foremost thing, what is tense? Tense means time. वंशिका बेटा ये सब चीजें बाद में करें. Okay, thank you. Tense means time, children. Okay, time of what? Time of any kind of work which is done. बहुत ध्यान से मेरी बातों को सुनो बेटा. I am not going to repeat it. What is tense? The other name of tense is time. Of what time? About what we are talking about? हम किन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about the work which is done. Work, क्रिया, हिंदी में हम इसको क्रिया कहते हैं. Okay. When the work is done, is it done now? Was it done before? Or it will be done in the future? Getting me? बहुत clear है चीजें. So what we are talking about? We are talking about the work which is done. Whether it is done in the present or in the past or in the future. That means it is telling about the time. हम घूम फिर के कहां पे आ गए? टेंस. टेंस मीन्स टाइम. टाइम मीन्स टेंस. किसके बारे में बात करें? वर्क, क्रिया, किसी भी काम के करने का क्रिया कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, राइट? द सेम थिंग इज फॉर इंग्लिश ऑल्सो. Most simplest thing but most important thing of grammar, that is tense. Tense covers all the parts of speech, children, because अगर हमारा tense गलत हुआ ना children, if our tense is wrong, then we cannot put the preposition, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, nothing in a proper manner. हम इनको set ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. If this is a sentence and if I am not going to place noun at its proper place, pronoun at its proper place, verb at its proper place, अगर हम इन चीजों को एक लाइन में सही फॉर्मेशन ना दे पाए तो it is not a correct formation of sentence. It means it is a wrong sentence, right? मैंने समझ लो, it's a human body, is a human body and this is a tense. Okay, this is a tense. Now here I am going to put the head, here the stomach, here the leg, here the hands. How will it look? It is wrong, na? The structure is wrong. To make it is a correct structure, we have to take the help of tense. Mind it, children. To make the sentence in a correct formation, correct manner, we have to use correct tense. Now how we will understand? कैसे समझ में आएगा कौन सा tense है? If the work is done in the present, we will categorize that work in 4 formats. Right? If the work is done in the past, that means it is a family of a past tense. If the work will be done in the future, future की बात चल रही है, that means it is a future tense, children. Okay, till here it is clear. Then I will move into the next part of the chapter. Till here it is very clear to all of you. Can you show me the thumbs please, so that I can understand it is clear? Then I will move to the next portion, how to learn. Okay, only 3 thumbs I can see. That means all have not understood. It is not clear. Children, I can't hear you all.
It's clear.
It's clear? Tit, Mehta, Tit, Baradia,
Yes, ma'am.
Nimisha, morning. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, clear.
Okay, beta. Thank you so much. So let us now move into. You have understood that what is tense. Till here you know what is tense. Now let us move into how to know the family of tens. Right? So we will now look into the board to understand the family of tens. In this week we will complete this chapter, okay? Now you can see I'm rubbing it. Okay, you can see so many things are written on the board.
मैम ने क्लोज करने के लिए कहा है जैसे प्यारी कुमार
चेष्टा म्यूट करो अपने आप को. Mute yourself. Okay.
सॉरी मैम
Okay, no issues. Just look at the board, please. We were discussing now this only. The other name of tense is time. Okay. Children, I will give you time to note it down. First, listen to my words, understand it nicely, clearly, and then move into it. Okay? So now let's, please all of you look at the board. What is the other name of tense, children? What is the other name of tense?
टाइम
Time. Perfect. Now, tense is a big family. He is the grandfather. Okay, he is the grandfather. बड़े पापा माने दादाजी हैं. Okay, tense is the grandfather. Now, this grandfather is having 3 sons. Right? You all say ना बड़े पापा, पापा, छोटे पापा, चाचा जी बोलते हैं ना. You all say this type of words. So he is having 3 sons. Who all are they? Present tense, past tense, future tense. I repeat myself. This is a big family, children. The other name of tense is time. He is having 3 main members: present tense, past tense, future tense. Right? What is the job of these 3 tenses? The job of these 3 tenses, इनका काम क्या है बेटा? Why they are there in the family? There is a reason behind it. Their work is to tell you all that when the work is done. I repeat, मेरे बातों पे ध्यान दो. The job of these tense is, क्या काम है इनका? Why they are there in the family? They will tell you that when the work is done. Clear? When the work is done. I am writing here also. For your convenience, you can note it down to make it easy, okay? So, when the work is done. The moment work is done. The moment children we ask them now, ask this tense ki when the work is done, they will tell you either in the present or in the past or in the future. आपको ये सब आंसर मिल जाएगा. You will get the answer very easily. Clear? Present, past or future. This is very clear to everyone. So just make a simple flow chart first of all. Very simple flow chart बनाइए. Just write as a center heading as tense. Pencil से बना सकते हैं, pen से बना सकते हैं, but make it in a clear, neat and clean manner. Tense. The other name of tense is time. You can write it in bracket, children. We have 3 main members in the family. Present in the center, past in the future, past and then the future. आपने किसी के घर में आपने देखा होगा ऐसी घड़ी आती है ना, पेंडुलम वाली घड़ी. You might have seen pendulum wali ghadi, right?
yes ma'am.
Right? So how does it move? It is in the present. Just see my pen. It is in the present. It moves back to the past. It again goes to the future. Then it again comes at the present. Clear? It is at the center. This is the present. It goes back to the past. It again moves ahead to the future. Again it comes back to the present. This is exactly like the pendulum watch. Okay, this is exactly like the pendulum watch. Very good, good job. Vanshika, I can see it. Very nicely done. So if I ask Vanshika, you can note down. If we ask question, आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. If we ask question to the sentence that when the work is done, listen to my words. If we ask the question to the sentence से हम अगर ये सवाल करते हैं कि when the work is done, कब हुआ है वो काम, what answer we will get? What answer we will get, children? That whether the work is done in the present, past or future. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has drawn the flow chart. Then I will move ahead. आगे चले?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have done or not done? Only I can see Vanshika, she is showing me the copy. Beta, it is done. Okay, done. Adi is saying done. Rest.
Ma'am, done.
Then I will move ahead, beta. Tirth Mehta done. Harsh, Hardik, Cheshta, Arya, Arihan. Done or not? No answer. Cheshta done. Okay, beta. Thank you.
Ma'am, ma'am, please start.
Okay.
Last line is
Wait. Can you see?
yes, ma'am.
I'm just
Yes, ma'am.
this line is for your betterment. To remember, nothing else. Huh? Shall I move ahead? Shall I move ahead, children?
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now I'm going to start with the next part. Now pay attention. We will draw again one more flow chart, okay? One more flow chart is needed. Now how we will draw it? Either आप इसी के नीचे बना सकते हैं. You can draw it below this और ध्यान से सुनना. I'm rubbing this. As because you are small now, so in my next class when I will give you the formulas, you all are having your tens chart with you all. Na? Malvika madam has already given it to you. Yes? Children? All are having?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next, in my next class, just sit along with that chart, okay?
No, I am not having the chart.
So just share it in the group so that everyone can note it down. Fine? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, these are the 4 children. Okay, here you will write present tense. What you would write? Present tense. Can you see what I've written on the board? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I've written present tense. This present tense. Okay, ये आपके पापा हैं. Okay, so he is one of the member of tense family, and he is having 4 children. He is having 4 children. First one is simple tense. Next one is continuous tense. Third one is perfect tense. Fourth one is perfect continuous tense. Clear? Shall I repeat it once again? First one is simple tense, then continuous tense, then perfect tense, then perfect continuous tense. Yes, Vanshika, I can see. Good. So, this present tense is having 4 main members. Okay, children? यहाँ तक की बात समझ में आई? Clear? So normally when we say, so what happens? We say simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. हम सबके आगे क्या लगा देते हैं बेटा? Present. क्यों? Because these members are belonging to the present tense family. आई बात समझ? They belong to the present tense family. Okay. So जैसे for example, Tet is belonging to the Mehta family. So he is writing Tet Mehta. Okay. Kushal is belonging to the Parak family. So he is writing Kushal Parak. Cheshta is belonging to the Kochar family. So she is writing Cheshta Kochar. So whatever, like Devarshana Roy, I am belonging from the Roy family. So I write Devarshana Roy as my name. Clear? So wherever they are. जैसे before my marriage, I was in the Dasgupta family. So I wrote my name as. तो मैं पहले कौन सी family में थी? So I wrote my name with that surname. Now where I am, I will write my name with this surname. Clear? So this is how you know the thing. Now this flow chart has to be made by you. You will make this flow chart in 1 page. Next class, right? On Wednesday, I think so. We will discuss कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? Like this. We will put 4 arrows in front of it. Okay. And in the front of this, I will write here. What I will write, children? Formula. What I am going to write? Formula. Okay. Then I will write in front of that example. इसके सामने example. Okay. So in 1 page we will make this type of flow chart. I hope so you all have understood. प्रतीक आया समझ में? प्रतीक?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone has understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
3 pages. Please, all of you make right now 3 flow charts. Formula and example के लिए space छोड़ दीजिए. Formula and example के लिए space छोड़ दीजिए. Please leave space for formula and example. Today, right now itself, in 3 pages, first make present tense, then again you make of past tense, then again you make a future tense. Now I will ask one question to Kushal. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Kushal, if I say these 4 members are of future tense family, so how we will start naming them? कैसा बोलना शुरू करेंगे? इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? This one?
मैम चारों आप बोल रहे, मैम आर सेइंग फोर ऑफ ऑल इज फ्यूचर टेंस.
हाँ, these 4 children अभी तक के कहाँ के हैं? Present tense.
Not coming.
If I change the family and write it as future tense,
एक काम कर पूरा लोग को खोल
I shall, ma'am, I will telling simple tense. I shall, we will,
एक 60 किलो वाला हम लोग को दिया था तू वहाँ पर
now listen.
यहाँ पर जो है गोली
Switch off your mic और सुनो. Switch off your mic. हाँ. अगर ये चारों बेटा they are of future tense family ना, so they will be named as, okay? कैसे नाम लेंगे? सुनना ध्यान से. Future, simple future tense. क्या बोलेंगे? Simple future tense. Future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. आई बात समझ में? If these 4 are of future tense family, then I will name it as, फिर हम कैसे बुलाएंगे उनको? Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. If I again put them in past tense family, कहाँ पे डाली मैं? Past tense family, then they will become. अब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी. तन्मयता, तन्मयता.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा, if
Yes, ma'am.
ध्यान से सुनना बेटा मेरे क्वेश्चन को. हाँ, if I put all these
Yes,
4 children in past tense family, then how will I name it?
Ma'am, repeat.
अगर मैं रिपीट नहीं बोलते बेटा, मैम पार्डन बोलते हैं. सुनो मेरी बात. इफ आई पुट ऑल दिस 4 चिल्ड्रन, ठीक है, ऑल दिस 4 चिल्ड्रन इन पास्ट टेंस फैमिली, इफ आई पुट ऑल दिस 4 चिल्ड्रन इन पास्ट टेंस फैमिली बेटा, तो फिर मैं उनको नाम कैसे दूंगी? कैसे बुलाऊंगी मैं उनको?
Past tense children.
मुझे पास्ट टेंस को जोड़ना पड़ेगा ना बेटा. आई हैव टू ऐड द नेम. हाउ विल आई ऐड इट?
Ma'am, past simple tense, past continuous tense,
वेरी गुड.
past perfect tense, and past continuous tense.
पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो दिस इज टुडेज क्लास. हम इतना याद समझेंगे. ओके. इन माय नेक्स्ट, अभी नाउ
Okay, ma'am.
see 2 videos so that our concept is more clear. In my next class, what is your work? What we will do? What we will do, children? We will write formulas and examples. What we will write, children? Formula and example. In our next class, what we are going to do? Adi? Adi?
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम क्या लिखेंगे कॉपी में?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Formula and examples.
Very good, Adi. Very good. Very good. So till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's
Yes, ma'am.
fast recapitulate it and see the video now. Now, what is tense? The other name of tense is past. Other name of tense is very good. Tense is having how many main head members?
Three.
What are they? Who all are they?
Present, past, future.
Very good. Present, past, and future. Very nice.
Future.
And each member, each head is having 4 kids. Right? What are the name of the 4 kids?
Simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense.
Very good. So, now these children, wherever they will go, they will become of their family. आगे बात समझ में? Very clear.
Ma'am.
Wherever these 4 children will go, they will become of their particular family. If they are in present tense, it will be of present tense family. If they are in the past tense, they are going to be in the past tense family. If they are in the future tense, they are going to be the future tense family. Clear? In our next class, we will do 2 very important things. One will be the formula and another will be the what, children? Another will be the examples.
Examples.
Very good. Right? यहाँ तक की बात crystal clear है? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will watch one video. Very carefully watch it. And this is going to be your revision and your recapitulation.
Perfect tenses, present, past, and future. Perfect tenses show actions already completed or completely done in the past. These tenses are also called simple perfect tenses. These tenses are easy to identify as the verb phrase consists of has, have, or had as helping verbs with a verb in past participle form. For example, has finished, had forgotten,
Topic tenses.
Children, can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple tense. Simple present describes an action, an event, or condition which is occurring in the present, at the moment of speaking or writing. Subject plus, V1 plus, S/ES plus, object. Present action or condition. I hear you. Here comes the bus. General truths. The sun rises in the east. Non-action or habitual action. I like music. I get up early in the morning. Present progressive. The present progressive calls it.
Children, the word progressive is the other name of continuous. Huh? You can write progressive in the bracket of continuous tense. Continuous का दूसरा नाम progressive भी होता है. So don't get confused. Okay? Are you all getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Attention to the
Yes, ma'am.
nature of an act, event, or condition. Subject plus is /am/r plus, V1 plus, in plus, object. Activity in progress. I'm watching television. Verbs or perception. He is feeling sad. perfect. To describe the action that began in the past and continues into the present but has just been completed at the moment of utterance, we should use the present perfect tense. Subject plus, as slash plus, V3 plus, object, with verbs of state that begin in the past and lead up to and include the present. He has lived here for many years. To express habitual or continued action, he has worn glasses all his life. Present perfect progressive. To describe an action, event, or condition that began in the past from a period of time which continues into the present, we should use the present perfect progressive. Subject plus, has been slash have been plus, V1 plus, in plus, object. Example, Munish has been working for 2 hours and he hasn't finished yet. Simple past, where we have to describe an action, an event, or condition that occurred in the past, sometime before the moment of speaking or writing. We should use the simple past. Subject plus, V2 plus, object. Completed action. We visited the museum yesterday. Past progressive. To express an action which were going on at a particular time in the past. We should use...
Again, I am saying, children, don't get confused with the word progressive. Progressive का दूसरा नाम continuous है. You can write it in bracket. What do you mean by progressive?
Use the past progressive tense. Subject plus. Was slash were plus. V1 plus. In plus. Object. Past action that took place over a period of time. They were climbing for 27 days. Past perfect. The past perfect tense is used to indicate actions that took place and were completed in the past. The past perfect is often used to emphasize that one action, event or condition ended before another past action, event or condition began. Subject plus, at plus, V3 plus, object. To describe a past event or condition completed before another event in the past. I had never seen such a beautiful place. The past perfect progressive tense. To indicate that a continuing action in the past began before another past action began.
Children, we will be, this is the last one. Here in this video, which is already uploaded in your portal, the second video, the first one is not so important. This is very important for you. Here, you are getting actually the name, the formula which I have said, not to write it down. You can write it down from here. See, every family member's formula is given. Along with the formula, example is also given. So this is a very easiest place from where you can get the formula, correct formula, and the example. So if you feel like, if you want, you can note it down from here and keep your work ready for tomorrow, because day after tomorrow we are going to have the class. Okay, children? So day after tomorrow, I request you all to note down the formula from here, and because day after tomorrow I won't be able to come to school, so to take your classes, I will take it from home. So it can happen like I can ask you to tell me the formulas. So you can note down the formulas in front of the names and the examples. This is your homework, children. Right? So,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.